Hi, we have a 2008 Corolla, and we are trying to fix one of the issues that has developed with these cars. It's about 10 years old car now, but their dashboard just getting melted away for some chemical issue with they have, and so it has come to a stage where it's become like a clay. If you push it out, it's going to kind of break away and rub, and it's very sticky everywhere, and there's a shiny. It gets reflected on the windscreen. We can't drive. So what I did was we're trying to replace that part with the dash pad. How to do is I'm trying to give you some instruction with my son, little son. So first of all,
You have to take these silver metal pieces, and we've already loosened them up. So all you do is just take these two sides and pull.
pull it out, and it comes
We've
out.
already taken it out, and then after that, you can take this part. You might need to have a
Little
plastic
yeah, you need
thing.
to put some
But
plastic
we
thing
use metal, but yeah. And then you
and
take
lift
it
it
out,
up from here,
and then pry from there.
and it'll come off.
Same with the other side. So yeah.
We've taken these two as well. So the other thing is we need to
And we have to also take this plastic meat off.
yeah. First we're
And
trying to remove the
and
lower the
and to do
steering
that,
column.
we have to lower this, so like that.
Okay.
And because we have space now, we can pull it
Yeah.
out.
Now to pull it, taking it out, what we do is
just do from each side.
hold from both sides, the here and here, and pull it out fully because it's clipped on. So
Yeah, it's
then
just
it
another
comes
clip on
off
here.
from clips.
And then you can take this part out. We've already. You just pull.
Then to take this part out,
You have to open the door.
you open the door, and again it's clip on. You pull it out slowly, loosen up, and it comes out. And similarly, we need to get rid of the bottom part of this.
So you just these are clip
It's
on
also
too.
clipped on.
And we also have to take the wires off, but
And
we
there's two
haven't.
wires with this little
But yeah, you just clip
clip.
off.
You push it on
just
and
push.
take it off.
But we've already done that.
So these two.
Okay.
So you take that part out,
And then it's just gonna look
then
like
it's
that. And then, now you have to take this part out.
Yeah, then we take this. No,
It's
first
like
you take the top.
yeah.
So you pull from this and this side, just pull
And then
it out,
you just pull.
and it comes out because it takes from both sides equally.
And there's a wire for the hazard, because if you see this wire, so when you press it, it goes hazard. So you have to take this off.
For this. So there's a little thing to press, and then we simply take it off. The next thing we're going to take off
Is the radio cover.
This outer cover, because it's easier to take it off as well. Again, it's clipped on, so you just pull it out, it just comes out. Next thing we're going to take out is we'll take this thing out.
So you take the screw out and keep it safely. And now we can just pull it out.
Now what we can do is we can pull it out from this end, but first we have to open this side.
So we can take it out.
Put it open, then we can pull it out and it comes off. Hold it for a second. It comes off. Now that part is taken out. Now there's a nut here we had to take out before we take the full dash as well. There is another nut which fixes here that we will have to take off. So we're going to take this one. Now it's just again clipped on. It should be loosened up. From here you pull it up,
This side.
pull it up, and you get rid of the
Nuts.
loosen up these nuts. That is for the
The meter.
meter cluster. You take that out and keep it somewhere.
Copper was okay, but
That
now
way it's loosened up, so it's no longer part. So
yep.
okay, no, you don't need to take it out fully. You can just keep it there like that.
Okay.
Hold it there. Now these things are loosened up. So we need to get this down. Take this out as well. It's easier than to work with. And there is another nut because we are trying to take the whole. There's another nut here, um, which is the one which fixes the airbag to the frame. So we have to get rid of that nut because when you lift up the dash, airbag is going to come out with it. Okay, can you please hold this? So that's the first part of it. So we just need to now pull it out.